Let me show you all camera settings available on the CMF Phone 2 Pro. So let's open the camera app, tap on this arrow over here in the top right corner in order to find all camera settings. More precisely over here by going to more settings. And as you can see, we have preset options where we can find the list of our presets that we have added on our camera. We can also import a preset or create our own one. We can also tap on these three dots on the right side in order to find some additional options for each preset. Besides that, we can save the information about the location where a photo was taken or where a video was recorded, which then you can find in the details by checking the photo or video in the gallery. There is also the shutter sound, so you can mute the shutter sound. That is the sound that the phone makes when you take a photo. We have the mirror effect for the selfie camera, the leveler, and the watermark. Besides that, we can change the storage location over here. Of course, as long as you have more options than just the internal storage. There's also a simple gesture that allows you to tap on the camera preview in order to capture a photo instead of using the shutter button. We have the QR code scanner, which is actually enabled by default, so you can scan QR codes pretty easily. We have press and hold shutter, which by default it is used to start recording a video. So for example, if you are in the photo mode and if you press and hold the shutter button, then you will actually start recording a video. But you can also switch to burst shot. And there is also the Ultra XDR option, which is pretty much HDR option. And there is also the video encoding option that allows you to switch video format to H.264 or H.265, depending if you prefer compatibility or storage efficiency. And last but not least, of course, we have the option to reset camera settings. Besides that, of course, different modes have different additional options by once again going to that arrow, by tapping on this arrow. We have, for example, the camera flashlight, the timer, HDR in the photo mode, the exposure setting, filters, auto tone, motion photo. We can switch the quality to 50 megapixels, grid lines, the aspect ratio, and of course, for example, in the video mode we have just much less options, but we can also change the resolution and the frame rate and so on and so forth. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!